Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren's channel, back with another gaming video, and today I will be playing a new game that I've never played before, and I'm gonna have my brother help me with it because I don't know what to do really. So, oh crap, I think I just killed myself. Yep. Like that. I'm an idiot.
Take your shovel.
Okay, you guys, so you'll see me when I'm back. Okay, guys, so, there's a treasure buried somewhere, so we have to find it.
No.
What do you do?
There's a treasure chest with you.
What's this person doing?
Where are you?
Beware, pirates on the sea. No, that's boring.
Come here.
Where are you?
Where are you?
Why are you walking in the middle of it? You're gonna fall down a freaking hill.
Come here. Dig.
I don't have a shovel. That's water.
No, that's a water. That's a
The
sand
bucket.
bucket. Yeah, you dig down with it.
Oh.
I have a better weapon because I play this.
It's not even working. Oh yeah, it is.
Sell or sell and you get money. Oh, treasure chest.
Where?
I'm digging in that. My hole. Some stone.
Once you get a new thing, can I have your,
You can't have.
why can't I see myself? Who the heck am I a person? Okay, well, I'm getting out of here.
They'll see you.
So,
Oh, treasure chest. Move around.
it's 100 coins. Okay, well, I gotta work for that. Oh wait, I already have 100 coins, so I'm close to being 100 coins, so yeah, I'm close. We're close.
I have 5,000.
Oh god. Oh, hello, person.
That's bad.
Okay, I need to reset my character. Okay, well, if you didn't know, I had to leave you guys because, like, I was like, really just sitting there doing nothing. That's great.
The guy was helping me.
No, he was making me so I'd literally go underneath the ground. It was not helpful. Why do you keep following us around?
I don't know.
Disturbing.
I had to leave again. Okay, now I'm at 130.
Okay, now I'm gonna get a new, I'm gonna get a new shovel, cause like, yeah.
That's my shovel.
Okay, we're gonna need the 600 one actually. Which I feel like I shouldn't be doing it right by someone. It's like,
I'm gonna be able to do
it's probably not good at things.
going to the shop. Can I go to the prison?
Keep working. Is this mine? No. Where the heck did I dig? Oh, right here. Where the heck did... What is all this?
Oh my god, the sugar. Where are you? Oh, I can trade with him.
Thanks, going good. Hey, well, that's the one that I was going down. Oh, what the?
No!
Wait, is sand harder?
My son's my god! I don't need.
Oh, a treasure box.
That was mine, but then a person stole it. By the way, my name is Sam.
Well, I can't get up and get it. Oh, sweet.
I don't want to play that game.
But I want to.
I'm playing Pet Simulator. Let's see what this is. I already got like a giant coin. Okay.
I almost got 600, you guys. Just need to buy a couple more.
Whoa! These are not cool. Oh my god, there's too much fat people around me. There's 3 fat people around me. Oh my gosh, even more fat people. Literally, Warren, can you help?
I'm doing something right now. I'm trying to get the best shovel on the thing. I'm already at 500 coins.
Lauren, I have 4,000 coins.
Okay? I have a better shovel than you do. Okay, now I can buy it. I'm gonna have a shovel like that green person does. Oh jeez, that's 2,000.
You're going too far.
Is that one good?
I have.
Do this one?
Yeah.
Is that one good?
No, This one's better. That's the best. Now you got 1 coin.
How much money does it is to get in the Candyland? Let's go see. One backpack and 10 coins. So it's not that bad. Why isn't anyone gotten it? I already have a backpack. Wait, what? Unlocks at 5,000 sand. Okay, well, this is going to end up our video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace.